Bonjour mes chers étudiants. Hi everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this second lesson of our 10 lesson series, we are going to look at contracted articles, les articles contractés with the preposition a. If you're new here, my name is Wendy. I'm a French teacher and I'm here to help you master your French grammar. So go ahead and join our French class by subscribing, and if you already did, hit that bell to get notifications every time we have a new video. Also, follow my socials, Instagram and TikTok at Miss Lingua. Also go and check out my Passé Composé Masterclass. You will find the link in the description below. So what are these contracted articles? Contracted articles refer to a combination of certain preposition with definite articles. We already know the definite articles le, la, les. And today we're going to look at the preposition a. So we're going to look at the combination of the preposition a with le, la, les. The combination of this preposition and the definite articles result in a change of pronunciation and sometimes spelling. The preposition a means to, at, or even in English. It changes with the context of the sentence. When this preposition is followed by definite articles, le, la, les, which means the in English, it contracts to form to the, at the, or in the. So why should you learn this? Contracted articles are very useful, especially in spoken French. They make the language sound more natural and make you sound more like a native when you use the contracted articles correctly. Let's start by looking at the formation of contracted articles with the preposition a. When a combines with the article, the definite article le, it contracts to form o. O. The pronunciation is O like the letter O, which means to the, at the, or in the, depending on the context of the sentence. And when a combines with the plural definite article le, it contracts into O. O. The pronunciation is also O, so be careful about the pronunciation. There is no contraction with la and L apostrophe. It remains the same. A plus la makes a la. A plus L apostrophe makes a L apostrophe. Remember, L apostrophe is for all the nouns that begin with a vowel or silent H. Now let's look at some daily used phrases with contracted articles. Je vais au marché. Je vais au marché. I am going to the market. Marché is a masculine noun. Marché, le marché is a masculine noun. A, which means to, when it's combined with le, it makes o, which means to the. I am going to the market. Nous allons au cinéma. Nous allons au cinéma. Same thing, cinéma, lo cinéma is a masculine noun. When it's combined with the preposition a, it makes o, which means to the cinema. We are going to the cinema. Il est allé au restaurant. Il est allé au restaurant. Many examples with masculine. Au restaurant, le restaurant is masculine. A plus le is o. Au restaurant, which means to the restaurant. Je parle aux enfants. Je parle aux enfants. The pronunciation is the same. It's O like the letter O. However, you pronounce it with liaison, aux enfants. Aux enfants. I am speaking to the children. Elle écrit au professeur. Elle écrit au professeur. Now this is a tough one. You cannot tell whether it's plural or singular, but here is au professeur. Professeur is plural. She is writing to the teachers. Ils rendent visite aux amis. Ils rendent visite. Rendre visite is to visit, to visit. Aux amis, here again, you can hear the liaison, aux amis, and you know it's plural. So you can see that we use contracted articles with the preposition a to indicate a destination or a direction. To the. For example, je vais à l'école. Je vais à l'école. I'm going to school. I'm going to school. The direction on which you're going. So it's also mostly used with the verb aller, to go, to go. Ils vont à la plage. Ils vont à la plage. Plage is a feminine noun, so there's no contraction. Ils vont à la plage. They are going to the beach, the direction or destination. Destination. We can also use these contracted articles to show location or position. For example, les enfants sont au centre de loisirs. Les enfants sont au centre de loisirs. The children are at the play center. At the. The position of the children is at the play station or play center. La clé est à l'intérieur de la boîte. La clé est à l'intérieur. À l'intérieur. The position of the key is inside the box. It's time to practice. Fill in the blanks with E, à la, a, l'apostrophe, or O. I will give you a few seconds each time. Je vais école. Je vais à l'école. Elle va plage. Elle va à la plage. Elle va à la plage. Nous allons musée. Nous allons au musée. Nous allons au musée. Il parle professeur. Il parle au professeur. Il parle au professeur. Elles vont cinéma. Elles vont au cinéma. Tu vas restaurant. Tu vas au restaurant. Tu vas au restaurant. Ils rendent visite amis. Ils rendent visite aux amis. Nous allons théâtre. Nous allons au théâtre. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you watched it all the way to the end, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you are new to this channel. I will see you in our third lesson. Bye-bye.